Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here ethylene is given, it attached with fluorine and alcohol in 1,2 position. You have to find the most stable conformation of it. Normally the known conformations are staggered, gauge and eclipse. Let us draw all four possibilities where OH and F are gauge form, OHF are anti-form, OH and F are skew form and completely staggered form. Here the second one, which is more stable due to the hydrogen bonding. Since fluorine is more electronegative, it forms hydrogen bonding because the hydrogen and fluorine are nearby. All other structures don't have the possibility. In the first structure you don't have the possibility because hydrogen and fluorine are in 120 angle. Then fluorine and oxygen in the same angle, which is 0 angle. The repulsion is not allowing any hydrogen bonding. Then the staggered, obviously it is not there, so there is no possibility of hydrogen bonding. So the gauge form is stable here. So the extra stability provided by the hydrogen bonding. The concept you have to learn here is hydrogen bonding is more stronger than anti-allosteric conformation. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.